With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so the question is a glass ball collides with an identical ball at rest with velocity v0 equals to 2 meter per second. Now if the coefficient of restitution of the collision is equals to 0.5, then we have to find here the velocities of the glass balls just after the collision. So let's see the solution. So as per the question, let's suppose we have the two balls, okay, means two glass balls having the masses of m, okay. One is at rest, that means its velocity will be equals to 0, while the one is moving with velocity of v0 is equals to how much? 2 meter per second. Okay, now let's suppose after collision, okay, after collision the velocity of the first ball will become v1 in this direction, and similarly the velocity of the second ball becomes v2 in this direction. So as per the question, we have to find here this v1 and v2. Okay, so as you can see here, there is no external force, that means F external is nothing but equals to 0. So from here what we can say that is along horizontal the external force is nothing but 0, and hence by using the center of mass of linear momentum, okay, and hence by using the conservation of linear momentum, we write an equation as initial momentum, that is m1 u1 plus m2 u2. This should be equals to final momentum, that is m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Okay, now as you can see here, the masses are equal and hence this will be cancelled out, while u2 is 0 here, so it would become v0 will be equals to how much? v1 plus v2. Let this as equation number 1. Now as per the question, it is given the coefficient of restitution is equals to 0.5. Now if we define the coefficient of restitution, so it is nothing but given by, that is 0.5 will be equals to the velocity of separation divided by velocity of approach. Okay, now velocity of separation will be here is nothing but v2 minus v1 divided by velocity of approach will be here as u1 minus u2. So what it will become, that is 0.5 will be equals to v2 minus v1 divided by u1 is v0 minus of 0. So from here we get another equation, that is v0 multiplied by this 0.5 can be written as 1 by 2. So it will be equals to v2 minus v1. Okay, so if we substitute here the value of v0, so this equation will become equals to 2 is equals to v1 plus v2. Okay, while if we put here the value of v0 as 2, so this 2 will be cancelled out, this will become 1 is equals to v2 minus v1. Let's suppose this as equation number 2. Okay, while this as equation number, let's say 3, okay, or rather than this, let's suppose this is as equation number 1. So on solving equation 1 and 2, okay, on solving equation 1 and 2 means if we simply add the equation 1 and 2, so v1 will be get cancelled out, we simply guess twice of v2, it would be equals to how much? That is 2 v2 will be equals to 3. This implies v2 will become equals to 1.5 meter per second. Now similarly, if we substitute the v2 in any one of the equations, so that we get the value of v1 will be equals to how much? That is minus 0.5 meter per second. Now here the negative sign is indicating that the ball will go in negative direction. Okay, the ball will go in negative direction because here we have considered the v1 is going in positive direction, that's why it came as negative. That is the ball, okay, first ball will go in negative direction. Okay, so this is nothing but asked in the question. Okay, this is what asked in the question. So this is the required solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.